For 30 years, Charles and Lillian Schneider live beside the former ODOT maintenance garage in Newark.
They've been checking around here for the last several years. And just lately they've come up that everything has spread and they're going to take our property.
Snyder says his wife didn't smoke or drink.
I don't know how she contacted cancer, but she did some way.
His grandson grew up playing on this now empty garage site.
A lot of milestones here.
Yeah.
It's just wrong that something like this could happen.
The Ohio Department of Transportation owns the maintenance and testing site that from the 30s to the 80s used trichloroethylene or TCE as a solvent. Deputy Director Joe Rutherford says workers likely poured it on the ground to evaporate, causing groundwater contamination. Now ODOT wants to buy nearby homes.
All 8 properties are located near what we refer to as the plume.
The path with the highest concentration of contamination and vapors.
What's the assurance for these property owners that they sell their property that there's not going to be long-term effects from these carcinogens?
I can't give an assurance or not an assurance. You know, at this point in time, there's really no way to know.
The Ohio Department of Health says long-term exposure to TCE may cause liver and kidney damage.
Sounds like almost 20 people are going to be displaced.
Yes, there's our family here. We have 5 children, me and my husband. There's 4 tenants there. There's 2 people that live there, her and her husband, and they have 5 children as well.
Neighbors on James and Pine Street will get fair market value on their homes and relocation money, but that's little reassurance.
We don't know how much we've been exposed to. We won't know. And it's kind of like, you know, we have small children. They're more susceptible to things. It's really scary.